Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back to another episode. It's me, Estudia, that I mean. I want to give shout outs to my subscribers. And I'm saying, where would I be without you? Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the help. I'm going to do the oil change in this 2003 BMW. I mean, I'm sorry. I got excited. Volkswagen. All right. I'm not German, but I hope I pronounce it right. Jetta, okay? Do the oil change and catch you after the project. Alright, hope you like it, enjoy it. See ya. Wow, so this is the oil drain plug, and that's the oil filter. $19. Looks clean to me. Well, now if you don't want the oil to drop on this plastic, we're gonna have to remove it. We're gonna use a BT 25. Yeah, BT 25 for this guy right here. Okay, we're gonna remove this plastic so we can don't make a mess to remove the oil filter. Okay. And we'll have that excess. Feel me? That's what we're gonna do now. Let it come down slowly, okay? You don't want to get wet. Want to make it easy, grab a rag and do your thing so it doesn't fall in your hand and then it get oh, now it comes out like this. In your face. Now don't forget to clean this right here where the oil filter sits. Okay, clean that and then put the new oil filter. Now you can use this brand if you want. This is the part number, or you can use this one right here, man filter. That's the part number, the brand. Okay. Now you have to lubricate this part. Okay, this is the ring, old ring. Clean it good. Okay. Lube this guy, the old ring, and put it back. By hand, by the way. Okay. Tight it, snug it good. Put the plastic back. Okay. 'Cause I put a 4.5 quarts 5W30 synthetic oil. Okay, welcome back, guys. I hope you like the video how to do this oil change. Hope you enjoy. I put 4.5 quarts of synthetic oil 5W30. Okay. Like I said, I hope you like the video. I want to give shout outs to my subscribers and viewers. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the love. Where would I be without you? Thank you. Appreciate it. And that will be it. Alright. See you in the next one. Holla at your boy. Oh, also, I want to encourage the females to become a mechanic. Technicians, know what I'm saying? Because I haven't seen that many out here. So, yeah, girls. Don't be afraid. It's like any other job, but it's better. Yeah, I mean. Okay. Oh, don't forget to wear your safety glasses, your safety goggles, and your gloves. Alright. See you in the next one. Holla at your boy Astuo. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay. Don't forget to bang hard the subscribe button. Do the same with the like button. Share this video and the feedback, put in the comment box for me. Anything you need to say about this vehicle, the performance, anything you have in mind. Maybe you have a Volkswagen Jetta, whatever you want to call it, and you want to share some information, knowledge, experience, put in the comment box for me. I appreciate it, and everybody that see this video, watch this video, they're gonna appreciate it too. They're gonna learn along with us. Yeah, I mean, alright, I see you in the next one. Holla at your boy Astuo. Boom.